What's up, YouTube? Hey, hi, how you doing? So today we're going to be talking about 5 best summertime bass fishing lures. At least in my opinion, they are the best 5 summertime bass fishing lures. I know we're getting a little later in the summer, but that's fine. These still work, they're still true, and I've been having a lot of luck with these. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into number 1. So starting with number 1 best summertime bass fishing lure, the number 1 I have found is going to be a shallow crankbait. Especially up here in the north, there's a lot of bluegill, there's a lot of sunfish, so we'll be using bluegill and sunfish patterns. And the best shallow diving crankbait I have found is a 6th Sense Movement 80X. I got one right here tied up. I'm gonna show you. Alright, here you go. Here is the 6th Sense Movement 80X. Dives 1 to 3 feet. You can already tell. I don't know if you can't tell. There's already some teeth marks on that. I've caught plenty of big fish on this, and this is my favorite crankbait. This is in the Gillikin color, so very yellow, almost chartreuse color to it, with some blue accents. You know, it looks very realistic. Stripes on the back. Now the sides. Like I said, this thing dives 1 to 3 feet, so it's really great for, it's really great on the boat, but if you're a bank fisherman like I am, this is a fantastic crankbait to be using, especially if you want to get into hard baits and use hard baits, because that can be difficult when you're on the bank. So, because you got weeds, trees, cover, all that stuff right maybe 5 feet in front of you. So this is a great shallow diving 1 to 3 feet crankbait that I highly suggest, and that's why it's in the number 1 spot for summertime bass fishing. Alrighty, for number 2, we are going to be talking about a worm here. This is kind of the 6th Sense fishing edition, because it's literally all I have. Well, it's not all I have, but makes up 90% of my tackle is 6th Sense fishing, because I love it so much. But in the number 2 slot for the top 5 best summertime bass fishing lures, we have here a Texas rigged Divine Shaky Worm by 6th Sense Fishing. All I have here is a 1/4 ounce bullet weight tungsten, a 4/0 worm hook, and then this is the Melon Dawn color. In the 6th Sense Divine Shake Worm, which is like a melon color and then a pink color laminate. But yeah, I'll just throw this around the edge of weed lines, or maybe in the thick stuff, in some structure. When the bass are being tough, they will eat the heck out of this thing. So give this a try, and that is going to complete number 2. Alrighty, so we're back here for number 3 bait for the best summertime bass fishing lures, and I'm gonna have to go with the Clout. See, I got a pack of them here. I have watermelon candy, and I think this is grass candy. this is grass candy, and then I also have a watermelon candy, which I really love to use. But this is the grass candy, an amazing color in the clout, and in my personal opinion, that is the best stick bait on the market. This thing is durable, but not too durable. It sinks great, kind of just like a Yamamoto, but guess what? It doesn't split apart and break after 1 to 2 fish. This thing will last you all day. And it not only catches, the small fish, but it catches the big fish. So this is number 3, the 6 cents clout stick bait. I absolutely love this thing. I am never without it. So if you've made it here this far to number 4, I'm gonna let you know that there is a small unboxing I'm gonna do at the end of number 5, at the end of the video basically. It's not very big, but it's some cool stuff, so I think you'll enjoy it. There's some new lures in here from 6 Cents Fishing. Yes, the frog is out, so I'm gonna share that with you guys, and I hope you stick around and watch that part of the video. But in number 4, we have, I'm kind of gonna categorize these two together. We have the Divine Swim Jig with the Divine Swim Bait. Here I have I think this is bluegill candy or gill candy, whichever one that is. So I've caught plenty of big fish on this, plenty of small fish. This just catches fish. I love the heck out of these Divine Swim Jigs. It's kind of what got me into 6 Cents Fishing products, is the Divine Swim Jig, and I think that's kind of the same for a lot of different people, because these jigs are amazing. I got it in this color, and then I got it in this shad color, which I like to use in the river. Obviously you can tell I use it a lot because paint's gone, it's chewed up. But the smallmouth and the largemouth in the river absolutely destroy this thing. And I'm going to categorize the hybrid jig into number 4 with the stroker crawl. This thing is an absolute fish catcher too. I know every jig from 6 Cents Fishing is amazing, and that's why I have it in the top 5. Alrighty, we're to number 5. And this one's special because it just caught me yesterday, a 4-pound bass at the river. What's up, guys? Look at this thing. Look at this thing. 4-pound bass. I cannot believe it. On the 6 Cents Divine Underspin, underneath the rock is where I found this guy. But I'm gonna get back in the water. And it's only ever caught me big fish. So you'll see this, and it is very chewed up. So this is the Divine Underspin, and that is in the baby bluegill, I believe, with a Divine Swim Bait on the back. But yeah, this thing is a fish catching machine, and honestly, it is also a great search bait. If you're not sure where fish are, this is gonna find them with that flash at the bottom. And I've tried other spins, and this one is so far the best one I have ever used. I love testing lures, and now I'm convinced I'm never gonna use anything else besides the Divine Underspin by 6 Cents Fishing. If you guys want to check that out, I'll leave a link in the description below. But yeah, that's number 5. Probably my most favorite out of all of these, even though really all of them are my favorite. 6 Cents just makes some fantastic lures. But yeah, if you made it this far in the video, we're gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna get to that right now. Alrighty, to the unboxing portion of the video. We have a package here from 6 Cents Fishing, and I'm gonna open it up and just show you guys what I got. some pretty cool stuff in here. So I hope you're ready. Take our CRKT knife here. We're gonna open her up. Now, last time my knife was dull. This thing is it's a razor blade, basically. First off, I already know what's in here, so we got ourselves a 6 cents fishing hat, the navy gold label. Put that on right now. And it fits great. I think it looks great, hopefully. Obviously you can tell I switched out on my sweatshirt, got a lot hot in here. I wasn't digging that, and I need my glasses because my eyes are bad. Anyway, next thing up, I was talking about the Divine Shaky Worm. I got some more colors because it is that good. I got it in Gill Dust. Open one up, show you guys. Maybe. Gill Dust is a whole bunch of colors. It's like orange, purple, gold, I think. Nope, orange, purple, green pumpkin, color. There's that Divine Shaky Worm. That is a 7-inch bait. Smells like a 6-inch lure, that's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, I got that. Divine Shaky Worm by 6 Cents Fishing and Gill Dust. That is gonna hammer them out there. Put that over here. I got another pack of Divine Shaky Worms in Watermelon Red. Similar to the same color, just a few different colored flakes in there. Obviously red flakes. This is Watermelon Red, green pumpkin color. Then I got another pack of Melon Dawn Divine Shaky Worms. That is the 6.3 inch. So I think 10 of these come in a pack when it's the 6.3 inches, and then 8 come in the 7-inch packs. Yes. Last but not least, the new 6 Cents Vega Frog. I'm super excited about these. I really don't use frogs too often, but I think these are going to be different because they got laser sharp nickel hooks on there, and they're angled the right direction, and the colors are freaking sweet. I just got black, because black is an amazing frog color. And then I got baby bullfrog. But yeah, that is the new Vega Frog. I'm so excited to use these. I'll take them out of the package and show you guys here. We'll start off with black. That's nice, coming in their own little shell too. Smells like a brand new car to me. Anyway, the skirts feel awesome. Just black skirt on here, black paint scheme or plastic. As you can see, those hooks are angled up a bit. I don't know how well you can see that. Got red, yellow, black eyes, black mouth. Everything's black on this one. And the hooks are angled up a bit. So that's going to increase your hookup ratio. And because it's cupped, it's going to have a little pop in action. So that's the black. Now we're going to open up the baby bullfrog. Here we go. A green and brown legs on there. Got the 6 Cents 6 embedded in the body. White belly with some markings. Nice olive top with some markings. Red mouth, again with the red eyes. Red and yellow and black eyes. And obviously the hooks are bent up a little bit, so you don't have to do it yourself. They thought of everything with these baits, and it shows by how many fish it catches and how easily it catches fish. The quality is just amazing. every new bait they can come out with. They no joke do not want to mess around with your money. So you're gonna get the best of the best if you go through 6 Cents Fishing. But yeah, might give you some B-roll of some of these baits, and that's the end of the video as far as I'm aware. If you guys want to subscribe, that'd be great. Leave a like, that would be awesome too, and a comment. Tell me what you liked, what you didn't like, what you want to see in the future. I know in the future I'm actually going to be fishing, showing you guys how amazing all these baits actually are. But if there's anything else you would add to the list, let me know. I am always up for some criticism. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you later. Have a good day.